Welcome to the Thought Refinery Meditations. This gentle body scan will help you release tension, reconnect with your body, and settle into deep relaxation. Allow yourself this time to simply be, and know that the deeper you go, the more naturally calm you'll feel. Begin by finding a posture that feels supportive, perhaps lying down, or sitting with your spine tall yet relaxed. Let your hands rest softly, palms open. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, or lower your gaze. Take a full, nourishing breath in, inviting space into your lungs. And as you exhale, let go of any need to adjust or control anything in this moment. Again, breathe in slowly, and exhale even more slowly, releasing the weight of the day with each outward breath. Now, bring your awareness to the points of contact between your body and what supports it. The gentle pressure of your feet on the floor, your legs or back against the surface beneath you. Notice how gravity holds you without any effort on your part. With your next inhale, imagine your breath flowing downward, anchoring you into this present moment. As you exhale, visualize tension dissolving into the earth below. Let yourself settle in. You're only just beginning to unwind. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Picture a warm, soothing light resting there. Softening the scalp, relaxing every tiny muscle. Let this awareness drift down to your forehead, feeling any subtle tension across your brow begin to smooth out, like gentle fingers easing away wrinkles. Now notice your eyes, the eyelids, the muscles around them. Allow them to grow heavy, as if warmed by sunlight. Move to your jaw, perhaps discovering tension you hadn't noticed before. With your next exhale, let your teeth part slightly. Your tongue rest softly. Your whole face becoming still like a calm pond. Now guide your attention to your neck, that delicate bridge between mind and body. Imagine each breath flowing through this space, loosening any tightness. Sense your shoulders, so often carrying invisible weight. Picture them softening away from your ears, melting like snow in sunlight. With your next exhale, imagine tension draining down through your arms, past your elbows, wrists, and finally spilling out through your fingertips. Every small release builds on the last. This is how deep rest begins. Take a moment to appreciate your hands, their warmth, their subtle energy. Notice any sensations. Perhaps a faint pulse. A tingling. Or simply stillness. Imagine your fingers growing slightly longer with each exhale. As if space is opening between each joint. Bring awareness to your chest, rising and falling with each breath. Picture your heart space expanding gently, like a flower opening to morning light. Now your upper back. Between your shoulder blades. Tension often hides here. Imagine your breath flowing into this space, loosening, lightening. Shift to your lower back, that place where stress so often settles. Visualize warmth spreading across this area, as if you're lying on sun-warmed sand. Place a hand lightly on your belly if you like. Feel how it rises and falls. Notice any tightness. Emotions sometimes live here too. With each exhale, imagine your abdomen softening. Your digestive muscles unclenching. Your whole torso becoming peaceful like still water. Let your awareness move to your hips, those joints that connect so much of your movement. Imagine them releasing old holding patterns. Move down your thighs, heavy against the surface beneath you. Picture any stiffness dissolving like honey warming in sunlight. Notice your knees. Perhaps sending them a quiet thank you. Imagine space opening in the joints. Now arrive at your calves. Your ankles. And your feet. Feel their contact with the ground, the pressure, temperature, texture. With each exhale, imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, anchoring you. Any remaining tension gently draining away. Now expand your attention to include your whole body at once. from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Imagine you're breathing through every pore, your entire body gently rising and falling with each breath. This is where your stillness deepens, and the benefits of this practice begin to echo beyond today. When you're ready, begin to gently deepen your breathing. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice how your body feels now, compared to when we began. Take one more full breath in. And as you exhale, prepare to open your eyes or lift your gaze, carrying this sense of calm with you. If this meditation brought you peace, consider subscribing to the Thought Refinery meditations. Share this practice with someone who might need it. Until next time, be well.